Dandruff occurs as flakiness, itching, and other symptoms, but the good news is that you can get rid of it using various natural remedies. But what are the best ways to treat dandruff at home? In this video, you will learn about the best home remedies for dandruff. Stay tuned. Dandruff is caused by sensitivity to hair products, dry skin, seborrheic dermatitis, and many others. But no matter the actual cause of dandruff on your skin, you should focus more on providing solutions that will restore your health in no distant time. The following home remedies for dandruff will help you get rid of it fast enough. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains several nutrients that are beneficial to the skin. It also contains medicinal properties that can get rid of dandruff in no distant time. Most people prefer to use coconut oil to boost their skin hydration and prevent skin dryness. Always keep in mind that skin dryness can worsen dandruff and complicate your health even further. Once you begin to notice the symptoms of dandruff on any part of your skin, purchase virgin coconut oil to relieve yourself from its symptoms. To actualize a more effective result, proceed to apply the coconut oil for 8 weeks to reduce the symptoms of dandruff to 68%. 2. Reduce your stress level. Several studies have revealed that stress contributes to several complicated health challenges. Basically, stress does not lead to dandruff, but it can worsen its symptoms. When you keep your stress level at a high level for a longer time, you may weaken your immune system through this means. A weaker immune system will decrease your ability to counter some infections and other health challenges. Therefore, you must at all times make an effort to lower your stress level and reduce the impact of dandruff on your skin. 3. Use baking soda. Baking soda is one of the fastest home remedies for dandruff. Generally, baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliate in reducing itching, eliminating dead cells, and improving overall skin health. A study reveals that baking soda is so effective that it can reduce the itching and irritating symptoms of dandruff. To use this method, you should apply the baking soda directly to the affected area. Proceed to give your skin a soft massage to make it more effective. 4. Take more of omega-3 acid. Omega-3 acid helps to maintain oil hydration and production of your skin. They also encourage faster wound healing and ageless skin. When it comes to relieving dandruff symptoms, omega-3 acids can help to lower inflammation and other chronic symptoms. If you wish to consume omega-3s daily, focus on eating more fatty fish like mackerel, trout, and salmon fish. You can add them to your regular meal plan to eat healthily. 5. Take apple cider frequently. Most people prefer to use apple cider as a home remedy for dandruff because of its medicinal properties. It fights dandruff by balancing the pH, thereby lowering the growth of fungus. If you prefer to use apple cider on the affected areas, proceed to add 2 teaspoons of it to your shampoo or mix it with other essential oil before applying directly to dandruff. 6. Use aloe vera. There is no doubt that aloe vera performs wonders on the skin surface. It comes as succulent that is usually added to the skin ointment, lotion, and other cosmetics. Every skincare that comes with aloe vera as its main ingredient offers numerous health benefits to your skin. A study reveals that frequent use of aloe vera can be beneficial in treating dandruff. Since it contains antifungal and antibacterial properties, it helps to reduce the symptoms of dandruff and transform your skin within a short time. 7. Use tea tree oil. For centuries, tea tree oil has been used to treat various infections like dandruff and other complicated health issues. It contains powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that lessen the symptoms of dandruff. A study revealed that tea tree oil helps fight some strain of fungus that leads to dandruff. Therefore, you can use the tea tree oil to remove dandruff. Before you start to use it, keep in mind that if you have sensitive skin, you may experience irritation after applying the tea tree oil. Hence, you must check if your skin can handle this after effect before using the oil. Get the tea oil ready and use it to massage the affected part of your skin. 8. Eat more probiotics. Probiotics exist as beneficial bacteria which support your health in many ways. They help to boost your immune functions and prepare your body in fighting fungal infections that create room for dandruff. Probiotics help to lower the symptoms of skin-related diseases such as dermatitis, eczema, and many others. They seem to work better on children and infants. However, adults can still apply it to their skin and watch the relief it will bring to their skin. Generally, probiotics are available as a supplement, and the dosage is clearly described on its label. In summary, once you begin to notice the signs of dandruff on your skin surface, endeavor to use any of the home remedies listed above to restore your health. Leave in the comment section which of these home remedies are more effective. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.